Because of poor road conditions, people were advised to stay home today across our viewing area.
But because some roads are still entirely covered, some people don't have an option to leave their houses anyway. KIMT News 3's Annalise Johnson is checking in with people who are snowed in.
Amy, George, I'm live in Rochester where the streets are slick but mostly clear within the city. However, some people living in rural areas are entirely snowed in. On KIMT's Facebook page, I asked people who are snowed in rural areas to comment and message us. From the responses I received, it seems there are people across the viewing area who are unable to leave their homes. Because their roads are untravelable, I interviewed 3 KIMT viewers on the phone.
We knew this storm was coming, so we got prepared.
Here's some photos from Alyssa Dean near Joyce, who is snowed in today.
To be snowed in and know that we can't leave if there's an emergency is a little nerve-wracking.
However, she says her family has plenty of food to be hunkered down inside for a few days if necessary. In Kanawha, Shane Jacobs is also stuck at home. Here's some photos he shared with me.
Gravel roads are completely covered still, and I've got about, it starts off the road and gets about 8 foot deep all the way through the farm.
He also says he went to the store before the snow came, but being snowed in does pose a different concern for him.
The only thing that makes me nervous is losing power. I'm a single dad. I've got a 12-year-old daughter out here with me, so myself's not so bad, but worrying about keeping her warm if the power goes out, that bothers me.
The wind whipped highly over here, and it was fun to watch it, and very blessed that we were not in it.
These are photos from Linda Wallen in Glenville. She tells me that being snowed in is a good opportunity for family time.
Got a husband who is a farmer and a trucker, so this time that we are made to be together, we're making the most of it.
At KIMT News 3 at 6, I'll show you how one of those people is preventing themselves from going stir crazy while snowed in. Live in Rochester, Annalise Johnson, KIMT News 3.
Thank you, Annalise. Some viewers also say that while they can't get off their properties with their vehicles, their snowmobiles have done the trick for them.